This is the beach at Kijkdown in The Hague, and I'm looking at the place where the sun is setting because in about 40 minutes after that, Comet Nishimura should be visible for the first time in the evening sky. The reason I'm at the beach is to have a nice, clear, unobstructed view to the west, and also because when the comet was visible in the morning sky, then we had the whole of the city and the lights to contend with. So hopefully in the next couple of nights we'll be able to see the comet here at the beach, and the key is to note the position where the sun sets and then to look again in the same place and slightly to the right about 40-45 minutes later. And there it goes. So that's the sun at azimuth 277 degrees. The comet will be over to the right at azimuth 290 degrees or thereabouts tonight, and it will move closer to where the sun sets over the next few evenings. While it's still light, and you can see exactly where the sun has just set, it's a good idea to use foreground objects to locate the position where the comet is going to be. So while it's still light, I thought I'd just show you the plan. You can see the mast over there on the beach and the camera ready to take the picture of the comet, but the clouds are really not going to cooperate, so perhaps tomorrow evening would be a better opportunity. We'll just see how it pans out. So how far do you need to look to the right of where the sun sets in order to see the comet? Well, let me show you. If you hold out your arm so that your fingers are stretched, then from your little finger to your thumb is about 20 degrees. And if you make your hand into a fist, then you're covering about 10 degrees. And that will help you to judge exactly how far to look from the comet. Now, I can't just give you a number because every night it's going to be different. So down below in the description, you can see a table of values for here in The Hague. And I'll also give you a link to some software that you could use to find out that distance from other locations as well. This is Patrick Chevalier's freeware program, Comet C, and I've plotted the position of the comet at 8:45 on successive nights. The position of the sun where it sets is about 277 degrees azimuth. This is the horizon. The sun at this time is about 5 degrees below the horizon, and the comet is about 5 degrees above the horizon and stays there for about 5 nights, and then very rapidly starts to head downwards and become very difficult to see in the evening sky. So there isn't a long opportunity to see the comet. I wish you all the very best of luck in seeing it. Let me know in the comments how that goes.